Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover financial stability with Chase Bank, complete guide step. Assess your current financial situation by reviewing your income, expenses, and debts. Gather all financial statements, including bank statements, credit card bills, and loan documents. Create a budget that outlines your monthly income and fixed expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on non-essential spending. Set up an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Consider opening a savings account with Chase Bank to easily manage your emergency fund. Explore Chase's budgeting tools and resources available through their online banking platform. If you have debts, prioritize them by interest rate and amount owed. Look into Chase's personal loan options for consolidating high-interest debts. Consider scheduling a financial consultation with a Chase representative for tailored advice. Utilize Chase's credit monitoring services to keep track of your credit score. Make consistent payments on loans and credit cards to improve your credit score. Review your subscriptions and memberships to eliminate any that you no longer use. Take advantage of promotional offers or cashback rewards programs with Chase to make your spending work for you. Regularly monitor your financial progress through your Chase account dashboard. Stay disciplined with your budget and make adjustments as necessary. Reassess your financial goals every few months to ensure you remain on track. Celebrate small milestones to keep motivated on your journey to financial stability. Continue educating yourself on personal finance through Chase's educational resources. By following these steps diligently, you can work toward achieving long-term financial stability with the support of Chase Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.